In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ledger in Zoho Books. Navigating through Zoho Books efficiently can save you time and help manage your financial reports effectively. First off, you want to start by logging into your Zoho Books account and heading straight to your dashboard. Your dashboard is your control center with a bird's-eye view of your business's financial activities. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Reports tab. Clicking on it will take you to a section where you can generate different types of reports. This is an essential step because you want to narrow down your focus to the type of report you need from a variety of options. In the search bar located within the Reports section, begin typing General Ledger. This will help you filter out all other reports and find what you need quickly. As soon as the General Ledger option appears, click on it to proceed. Now, before generating your report, it's important to set the appropriate date range. This will determine which transactions appear in your ledger. Carefully select the date range that covers the period you're interested in. You'll want to do this to ensure you're getting the most accurate snapshot of your financial data for that time frame. Next, choose a report basis. Here you may find options like cash basis or accrual basis, depending on how you wish to view your financial data. Picking the right basis is crucial as it influences how revenue and expenses are recognized in your ledger. Take a look at the More Filters option. This feature allows you to refine your report by including or excluding specific data points, which can be extremely helpful when you're looking to customize the data you're dealing with. Moving on, click on More Actions. This is where you can decide what you might want to do further with your report. The option to Save as Custom Report will become visible here. Click on this to start creating a reusable template for future use, making your reporting process more efficient. Now, before finalizing, you'll be prompted to click on Next. This is a step to ensure everything looks good. In essence, a final review stage. It's always wise to double-check all settings and configurations because proceeding without checking can lead to errors and a potential waste of time. In the subsequent prompts, continue to click on Next, further reviewing if everything is in place. Do this a few more times until you reach the setup for entering a report name. Giving your report a meaningful name will make it easily identifiable for you and your team. The last step involves hitting Save Custom Report. Congratulations! Your ledger is now created and saved for future access. By following these steps, you've streamlined your process and made accessing your financial data that much quicker in Zoho Books. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.